Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ketemu lagi dengan Big Boss, Boss Dev Gaming. Oke, gimana kabarnya teman-teman? Semoga sehat-sehat ya, para bocil-bocil, teman-teman yang suka main PES. Kita main lagi sekarang PES. Coba lawan komputer ya. Tapi kita buka dulu bonus-bonusnya. Dapat apa ini? Ini bonus biasa, penalti dulu. Biasa pojok, harusnya gol. Easy kalau kayak gini ya. Oke. Yang belum subscribe, yang mau komen ya, bantu kita. Dapat hajat kalau kita selesaikan apa tadi? Main bonus. Ini masih ada misi periksa. Kita periksa misi ini apa? Selesaikan target, menang lawan AI kan. Kita lawan AI dulu. Buka dulu kotak masuk. Oke. Dapat kontrak 1. Daftar pemain spesial gratis deh. Welcome eFootball, adanya siapa aja nih? Kita lihat semua. Lionel Messi itu yang bagus. Bawahnya masih 83. Ada Donnarumma, ada Valverde, Kanji, ada Jose Maria Gimenez, ada Son, ada Moses Caicedo, Andre Robertson, Oyarzabal, Fagioli main mana ya? Oke, langsung aja. Bisa nggak kalau kita langsung minta Messi? Nggak bisa. Emang harus diundi. Ving, dapat Messi. Messi saya ada banyak, ada 3 kalau nggak salah. Kalau ini dapat lagi 4. Donnarumma kayaknya. Oh kan, Donnarumma. Oke, lumayan lah. Semoga nanti dapat lagi. Ya teman-teman, ini tersisa 3 apa ya? Undian terbatas. Ada Messi 96. Nggak bisa. Mau beli nggak? Nggak deh. Koinnya ada 1000 doang. Jadi saya biasa beli kalau koinnya ada di atas 1100 nih. Ada eFootball Pass 2. Siapa ini? Kelihatan. Oh, Pierre Aubameyang. Sekarang pindah ke Martial ya. Kita ambil. Sepakatan undian kita cukup. Oh, nggak punya ternyata. Nggak punya guys. Adanya undian tak terbatas ini. Raul Gonzalez. Kalau lihat semua banyak ya. Ada 50 pemain. Harusnya dapat Ving, dapat Raul Gonzalez. Siapa ini? Bukan Raul sih. Buang aja deh. Lepas. Oke, karena bintang 1 cuma lama naikinnya juga. Oke, kita langsung aja main. Laga lawan AI. Acara AI Spanish Club. Karena saya nggak jago-jago amat, cuma ya suka bikin konten. Kita di Superstar ya, pakai tim yang biasa karena timnya ada 2 tuh. Baru punya 2 sih. Baru niatnya bikin 2 tim. Almeria RB dari Spanyol lawan FC Brondong. SSB Kampung. Robert, kok ini yang bagus-bagus guys. Aduh, salah tim saya. Apa deh? Robert Lewandowski, Memphis Depay, Ansu Fati mana ya? Kubo, Frankie De Jong, Ivan, Martin, atau dua. Ya langsung aja kita main. Karena nggak nunggu-nunggu ya. Kalau jauh suaranya, semoga nggak jauh deh suaranya. Padahal lawan AI loh. Tapi nge-lag. Oke, kalau suara saya nggak kedengar berarti komentarnya kekencengan. Frankie De Jong seperti biasa, terlalu jauh. Lumayan susah ya, superstar susah. Tapi lebih susah lagi yang legend. Ayo lari. Semoga masih bisa main ya. Jadi kalau kalah, mohon maaf. Gol. Ayo gol. Aduh. Harusnya gol tadi. Dus. Aduh, susah ya. Balde. Kena dong. Ya fokus. Jangan blunder dong. Saya kalah tuh kalau blunder ya. Sama lawannya juga jago. Oke teman-teman, masih bersama Bos Dev Gaming yang baru masuk. Kubo. Dis masih kuat. Iya sih kalau syuting itu susah, harus flashing. Ya itu ngapornya. Gol, aduh susah. Ada Luka Modric. Dapat. Kenapa ke belakang? Oke, Balde mengambil bola. Dapat. Aduh. Rudiger. Sudah tua ya Rudiger. Sayang sekali. Peluang 4 dari yang gol guys. Langsung aja kita main lagi. Dapat. Masih kuat dong. Depay. Susah ya. Susah teman-teman. Tapi nggak sesusah. Lebih susah main Roblox yang naik gunung daun. Saya nggak bisa. Gol. Ah. Gak gol dong.
Well sorted out. And it's Cuba. That's a shade optimistic. We're still waiting
Okay.
for a goal to report here.
Frankie De Jong. Memphis Depay kejar. Masih Frankie De Jong.
Well into the second period. It is still anyone's game.
Balde. Ivar Martin. Bukan Ivar Jenner ya.
De Jong. Modric. Koundé.
Ya ke situ.
That is a little undercooked.
Maksudnya saya itu jauh.
He is offering some sort of an apology there. His team
Dapat. Aduh. Blunder. Gol. Alah. Aduh. Sorry teman-teman, tidak fokus. Lawan Almeria bisa kalah. Apa deh. Nanti kita coba lagi ya. Lewandowski kejar. Aduh.
Certainly more like it. They can't let the intensity drop now, Peter. Well, they're looking a whole lot more urgent now. Well, the question now is whether
Dih,
they can
kan dapet.
sustain it.
Kok ke situ ya? Dapat. Ya Allah. Ada pemain lo di situ. Ada musuh lo, ngapain dioper ya?
Has been pretty compelling overall. Well, it's looking like too little too late.
Dapat.
Oh, he's asking for
Ayo.
trouble.
Gol. Selebrasi dulu teman-teman. Ansu Fati menyamakan kedudukan. Oke, ayo. Satu gol lagi. Ansu Fati. Ayo fokus. Dapat. Aduh, tiang dong. Kami nggak masuk. Jauh amat ya ke situ ya. Kedudukan seri ternyata. Oke, itulah sedikit pola permainan saya. Ya, nggak jago juga amat. Cuma buat nemenin teman-teman yang lagi gabut. Oke, kita ganti tim dulu ya. Ganti tim dulu. Ganti tim. Bentar. Saya mau ganti. Yang ini loh bener. Taktik permainannya. Oke. Nanti di menunya laga belum saya ganti. Lawan AI. Artificial Intelligence. Yes, kayak gitulah pokoknya. Kita ini. Oke. Main lagi, dapetin 500 koin eFootball. Teman-teman yang mau saya main game apa? Komen di bawah ya. Oke. Lawan apa tadi? Lupa saya. Gampang deh. Ini siapa yang lagi bagus? Charles. IMF ya. Pedri ya. Bukayo Saka, cek lagi di Jong. Oke, langsung aja kita ke laga lagi. Ya, laga yang kedua. Semoga menang, teman-teman. Jangan lupa supportnya. Semoga nggak membosankan. Silakan yang ada di Banten absen, nanti kita mabar bareng. Kita awali dengan Michael Olise dari Bayern Munchen. Ya, langsung serang dong. Dapat. Ya ampun. Nggak fokus saya. Ya, Gensnya maju loh. Jack Wilshere ini ya. Luka Ilik. Kita buang aja. Kok dibuang situ ya? Begitu umpan. Ayo Pedri. Pedri ini ya. 5 kali. Saya dingin. Dinginan maksudnya. Kalau ditanya suka pemain mana aja, yang penting support permainan. Sesuai posisinya. Nggak dapat dong. Nih komputernya bagus ini. Kejar. Masih dapat. Dapat dong. Gak bisa tembus umpan membelah lautan. Gabriel Vetusta belum dapat bola. Ayo Pedri. Gagal. Lupa kurang di placing, guys. Karena tendangannya bagus Pedri. Terlalu terburu-buru. Out dong. Udah. Oke, kita stop dulu ya. Nah, ini dulu.
Echaria. Not sure how the stats look in terms of expected goals, but nothing actual has materialised so far. Well played. Out to the left it goes. Rafinha. it in. Great ball, and he's in here.
At a time.
Now the breakaway. He's going to be disappointed with that. The whistle goes for half-time. Well, it was a half of could-haves and should-haves, but as the whistle blows, we remain where we started. Plenty for both managers to mull over here. Some first-half thoughts?
Well, at least the defence can look back on a job pretty well done so far, Peter. I think they've squeezed the play quite well and they've been relentless in their pressing. So the energy levels feel good.
No goals at this stage, but certainly not devoid of action. It is 0-0 here at half-time. And we are back on the way. So neither side has yet broken through.
Masih kenceng ya. Tapi gimana?
Strong running down that left flank. Gets into some space. That'll be a throw. Olise. Great vision. This is Batistuta, and he's certainly onside here. I think that's a corner. Yes, it is. And we have our very first corner. And he's gone looking for safety. Alexander-Arnold with the delivery.
Is that the first time we've seen them try that? It's definitely given the opposition a little more to think about.
Now this could be a chance. Batistuta! A real chance and a real let-off.
I thought it was a really good break. No shortage of pace nor intensity. Exactly what's required when on the
Substitutions
counter-attack.
taking place.
So time for change, and this one has been on the cards for a little while.
Well, this could be an indication that the team are setting themselves up for the counter-attack here, Peter, and he is very good at that type of thing.
Very little to report from an attacking perspective. Jim, it's a cagey old game.
Well, I think it's a fair reflection of
Face to face with the keeper. Can he finish? He scores! The perfect outcome to mark his 50th game. Well, one moment you're in possession, the next you're picking the ball out of your own net. That one will sting.
look at the manager here. He's absolutely fuming, and he has every right to be. You can't win football matches if you give the ball away like that.
Gabriel Batistuta.
Have penetrated for the first time.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's always the #1 contender, and he's done it again.
Kivior does well to get it back. Nicely aimed pass. This is Batistuta. It's the keeper's ball. Closing in on the last quarter of an hour. And there's green grass ahead of him. Oh, well played, well played.
Substitution on the field. Number 14.
We have got changes here from both sides, in fact.
Number 8. Santi
They've played it short. And it's Cazorla.
Substitution in progress.
Good ball, good take. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. Brekalo. 5 minutes left on the clock. Engages and forces him off the ball.
I thought it was going to happen then. How many more chances can they realistically expect now?
tidily. He's picked his way through. Pressing's intense, and it's paid off. Ribery. We are into overtime. That is a great pick out. Brekalo. And he's managed to get free. And that is as far as it goes. Relief, finally. Now at last they can enjoy the taste of victory. Fingernails bitten to the quick, but they have got over the line. Quite a ride.
Just a quick
Batistuta
announcement, it is now
taking in
time
the
for our
accolades,
special
having been
program.
named man of the match,
Gets you again
and deservedly
into
so.
the gates.
So what do you take away from it all, Jim?
Yeah, it was never a match that was going to blow us all away, Peter, but I felt the team did a lot right, especially that well-timed goal.
And that's where we have to end it. From me, Peter Drury, and my co-commentator, Jim Beglin, a very good evening to you all.
Lumayan naik. Pertandingan selanjutnya. Oke, sekarang kita lawan apa ini? Hah? Bilbao. Athletic Bilbao apa Bilbao apa ini ya? Ya pokoknya dari Spanyol deh. Oke, teman-teman. Nah, saya buka.
Hello and welcome one and all. The atmosphere building very nicely here. Gorgeous, gorgeous evening. The skies are clear, the noise is fervent, the atmosphere frenetic. This is Peter Drury, and next to me providing insights will be Jim Beglin.
Thanks for the intro, Peter. I've been soaking up the atmosphere, and I'm really looking forward to what lies in store.
There's nothing quite like match day, especially here. This crowd doesn't do ordinary, and we should be in for something very special. Well, if you didn't just miss it, we are up and running already. Bout of passing. He's having a shot! Oh, just lacked a decent finish.
Look, we've all been there. Not that it'll make him feel much better at the moment.
Zubimendi kept his eye on it, and he's there. And he's there to clear it. Pedri making his 100th appearance here today, of course.
Yeah, something that I mentioned to in person before the match, Peter, although it took some time to register. Pretty much the same with me on my 100th game. I was more focused on winning than anything else.
Elise knocks it into space. Oh, that was vital. Grados. That has not gone well. Tries to pass it through. This is Batistuta. Real chance! He scored! A momentary lapse, mercilessly exploited. They were absolutely lethal.
Peter, they should just never have lost the ball from there. But you have to give credit and fairness to the front-footed pressing too. Made things quite uncomfortable for them.
Gabriel Batistuta.
A 1-0 lead established.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's always the number one contender, and he's done it again.
Oh, good-looking ball. And here's Berenguer. And he cuts out the supply. Now it's Batistuta. Back into the middle. And he was alert to it. Bilbao deciding to turn to the long ball now. That is pretty evident.
Yeah, it is clear that they've decided to take a more direct route to goal now, but, you know, they can't just continue doing this and make it predictable. And importantly, they've got to look to win the second ball. If they do that, they should get right up the pitch.
Yeah, they really should. Prados. 1-0 here just before the break, and it looks as though it's going to stay that way for now. And he welcomes it in. I think that's a corner. Yes, it is. Indonesia has the chance to go the other way. This is Batis. Shoots! They've done it! A quite incredible spell. They are flying. That is so good. Such sharp skills and such a delicious finish.
Yeah, he gets top marks for that finish. I honestly thought his odds weren't that good.
Gabriel Batistuta.
Indonesia are sitting pretty. 2-0 up.
I have to say that the contrast of moods are very visible now. They really fancy themselves to go and wrap things up.
Now it's Ribery. And the first 45 minutes are up. Reflections on the first half.
Indonesia certainly can feel happy about how things have gone, but now isn't the time to take their foot off the pedal. They need to keep pushing, keep imposing, don't leave the door open for the opposition.
Indonesia sitting pretty here at half-time. 2-0 up. If you have just joined us, well, Batistuta! Relentless! Just relentless! And there's your hat-trick hero. He is simply indefatigable. He forced the error and extracted the maximum punishment.
Well, a little more decisiveness on the ball and that probably wouldn't have happened, but still, it was very well played. Great pressure to force the error.
And there was his third, and boy, he looks the business, doesn't he just?
This is frightening football. He has increased defensive fear on the way to that hat-trick.
A case now of complete control. The pass has gone astray. Cleared away. Iñaki Williams. Williams! Oh, brilliant save.
Well, that's a sign that he clearly feels the need to take it upon himself to try and get his side back into this.
Tries to get it clear. He's hit it long, but astray. And now a sudden chance to counter. Well read, nice interception. Well, it looked promising for a moment, but it came to nothing. Played back in. Good read, needed to be. Sunset. And here's Nico Williams. Pedri proving dependable as ever. Another terrific day at the office for him.
Well, not only can a player of such high caliber show the imagination to set up a goal, but he can also produce when the pressure's on to deliver a big moment. This guy was born to create.
Nico Williams. Sunset. Iñaki Williams. Can he get on the end of this?
This is actually quite a courageous move, and I'll add ambitious and adventurous too.
Bilbao can't breathe again. Just.
You know, it was an intervention that had to be made. Serious trouble lay in store.
They're trying everything to subdue him here.
Oh, look, Peter, this has been a textbook illustration of how not to defend, and finally they've decided to single him out.
That pass isn't the best. Now that's well seen too. So 3-0 now, and surely there'll be no twists in the plot. There's the shot! It's off target and by quite a way.
Well, there's always that risk, Peter, when a team commits too many numbers forward. You can't help but leave some gaps in the back.
Number 9, Olise.
Sides then taking this chance to turn to their benches.
Number 17, Vitinha. Number 6, Zubimendi. Coming on the field.
Passing is crisp and sharp.
Erling Haaland.
And
Number
here's
8,
Berenguer.
Caio Seco. Number 3, Ruben Neves. Number 5,
Berenguer!
substitution. 2 added minutes has been indicated.
Now it's Haaland. And we're done. Well, that was a shimmering, sizzling, scintillating game. The key characters glittered throughout and did what they did when required so to do.
Nah, itu. Oke, kita ketemu lagi besok di game yang lain yang mau dimainin gamenya. Jangan lupa komen. Terima kasih. Oke, kita lihat dulu target dapat apa. Diterima semua. Ini oke, gitu aja. Jangan lupa like, comment, dan subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.